Hello and welcome to this tutorial. So we'll be kicking off right from where we left off. I'm going to clean this, create a new HTML document. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys different text formatting elements. So far, I've only shown you guys how to create paragraphs. But apart from paragraphs, you can also create cool text formatting elements. Text formatting elements are basically elements that alter the way the browser presents and interacts with text. For example, you can make it bold, you can make it italic, and things like that. So let's get right into it. So for comparison, I'm going to create a basic paragraph. I'm going to say this is a paragraph. Save and go live. Okay. So the different elements we have italic. I'm going to say this is italic. Is that double L? I don't even know. I'm just going to leave it with one L for now, since I'm not sure. We have EM. This is. We have B. That is B is for bold. This is bold. We have strong. This is strong. What else do we have? We have small. This is small. We have insert. This was just inserted. This was deleted. Then we have subscripts. And we have superscript. So now I'm going to save it and you'll see how each of them appear in the browser. Okay. Each of these text looks different. The paragraph, it's looking normal. Italic is italicized. It's similar to this, but the difference between italic and emphasized, if you're using a screen recorder, the emphasized text will be read with visual stress. For example, if the screen recorder is reading this, it will say, this is italic, this is emphasized. So it will emphasize like with audio stress, sorry, not visual, audio stress. So this is bold, this is strong. So far, I've not really noticed much difference between them. The only difference I know is strong is meant to be for important texts. Why? I don't yet know that. I've tried researching that. I can't see any so far. I can't see any reason so far. But I have heard that strong is for important text. And no, it doesn't help with search engine optimization. So this is small. You have noticed it's smaller than all the other text. So this was just inserted. This is the insert element. And you have noticed it underlines it to show it was inserted. This was deleted. This one, it draws a line across it to show it has been deleted. This is a subscript. So a subscript, it will send it down by half of a character. That's why I placed it next to the delete. You have noticed right in the center is where the subscript starts, while the superscript is the exact opposite. It's lifted up a half a character above all the other text, but it's made small. Subscript and superscript, they are made small, but they are also lifted or brought down. Subscript is brought down, superscript is brought up. So that is basically how they are. And the beauty of this text formatting element, you can use it in your paragraph. So let me demonstrate right now. I'm going to maybe clean all of this. This is a paragraph that has some So I'm going to place a strong element inside my paragraph. So I'm going to say passwords. What did this just do? So, however, I'm going to make the however a I'm going to make the however make it italic. Hmm? So I'm going to make this, let's say, deleted. I'll say useless. So I just want to do a quick demo. So inside this paragraph, I've put multiple text formatting elements. For example, this is a paragraph that has some important info, such as I now use the tag strong, the strong tag. I put passwords in there. Then I now wrote however. However is in italic. I think I'm going to change this to emphasized. So in case the person is using a screen reader, it will be emphasized. It can also be called, however, yeah, it can also contain. So I deleted the useless and I'm inserting mundane. So basically, this is a paragraph that has some important info such as passwords. However, it also contains useless, nope, mundane info too. So let's look at the browser now. This is a paragraph that has some important info such as passwords is bold. However, is now italicized, and if you're using a screen reader, it will place emphasis on the however. It also contains useless, see the useless has been crossed out, mundane info. So that's just basically text formatting elements are very simple. They are simple and straightforward. They are just ways for you to modify your text and modify the way the browser interacts with the text. Like I said, for instance, emphasized, if you're using a screen reader, it will read it with verbal stress. Then other than that, the subscript, superscript, all of that. So I can have multiple paragraphs with multiple, I can have, so it influences the way the texts are presented. So they are just very simple. It's something that is very simple, nice to work with. You may not use this a lot unless you're working on sites such as blogs, but it's something that is always handy to have or to know. It's something that is always handy to know. So thank you. That is basically, this is a very quick video. I just wanted to introduce you guys to this because this is a way to modify your text without CSS also, such as making it bold. I'm going to teach you CSS soon. I don't know if that will be in the next video. I think the next video I plan to make it images, but depending if I don't No, yeah, I think the next video to be best if I introduce you to images. Then after images, I'm going to introduce you to videos, lists, and tables. Then once we're done with those basic HTML elements, I'll introduce you to CSS. Then after messing around with CSS, we'll go into a bit more complicated HTML elements. Then we'll go into JavaScript. I think that will be the best approach for this. So sorry if this seems a bit spontaneous. I'm still kind of coming up with the curriculum for this series. So thank you, and that's the end of this video for now, and see you in the next video. Alright, thank you for sticking by to the end. If you feel this video helped you, please drop a like and feel free to subscribe for future content. I also have a website and a Discord where I'll be dropping most of my free content, so check that out. Also feel free to support the channel on Ko-fi to aid the making of future assets and videos. Alright, that's all for now. See you in the next video.